In this video, I'm going to show you how to link materials in Blender quickly and easily, so you can apply the same material to multiple objects without repeating the setup over and over again. This is a huge time saver when you're working on scenes with lots of objects, because any change you make to the linked material will update across every object using it. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Blender tips and software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, select the object that already has the material you want to copy. This is the source object, and it should be the one with the correct material assigned. Next, hold Shift and click the other objects you want to share that same material. Make sure the source object is selected first, because Blender uses the active object to determine where the material will be linked from. Once all the objects are selected, press Ctrl L to open the link menu, then choose Materials. As soon as you click Materials, Blender will link the material from the active object to all the selected objects. Now every object you selected should be using the same material. The best part is that if you edit that material later, the changes will update everywhere it's linked. So if you change the color, roughness, metallic value, or any other setting, all linked objects will reflect that change automatically. That makes this method perfect for hard surfaces, props, environment objects, and anything else where you want consistency across multiple models. If you prefer doing it manually, there's another way as well. Select the object you want to change, then go to the Material Properties panel. From there, open the Material dropdown and choose the same material used by your other object. This method works fine too, especially if you only need to update one object at a time. But if you have several objects to update, the Ctrl L method is much faster. Just remember that linked materials are shared, so if you want one object to have its own unique look later, you'll need to duplicate the material instead of keeping it linked. For now though, this is the fastest way to keep your Blender workflow clean and efficient. It works with any material type, and it's one of those small shortcuts that can save you a lot of time in bigger scenes. If you found this useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick Blender tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.